Your PC with graphics card, keyboard, and mouse will come in a box that looks like this, labeled number 5. Here are the contents all laid out along with the keyboard, mouse, and dongle. First off, we're going to take the glass side of the PC and you will see these 2 screws in the back. We're just going to loosen both of those. And carefully remove this glass panel from the side of the PC. Setting that off to the side, and we'll carefully take the PC and lay that down on its side. This is your graphics card and the small baggie with 2 screws labeled GPU, TS, 3, and 4. You'll see in the back of the graphics card these prongs here that are going to plug into these holes in the PC. So carefully, without bending those prongs, we're going to line them up with the hole, press it into the hole. You should hear a clicking sound when it is seated in there all the way. The cords coming from inside the PC will plug into the back of the graphics card. These ones can be a bit tricky, but you will hear another clicking sound when these are fully seated into the holes as well. And here is our little baggie with the 2 screws, which are going to be used on the edge of the graphics card here. There's going to be 2 holes missing 2 screws, and that is exactly where these 2 screws are going to go. Here is a close-up showing those 2 screws and their labels matching the baggie. Here are the cables from inside the PC and where they plug into the graphics card, showing that they are labeled GPU Power 1. We're going to grab the glass panel that we had set off to the side, slide it into the 2 grooves on that end, and press it down on the screw side, taking those 2 screws and tightening those back up. At this point, we are good to grab the PC and set it back right side up so that we can plug everything into the back. The NFS G1000 USB A6 cord is going to plug into the NFS 6 in the back of the PC. Bolster USB A8 will plug into Bolster 8. Video cables from PFD and MFD will plug into 2 and 4. CPU power will plug into CPU power 1. The Wi-Fi is screwed into these 2 golden connections. Throttle USB 12 to throttle 12. Yoke USB 10 to yoke 10. To clean things up a bit, take a zip tie or strap and use them to coil all of your cords together up to one of the corner brackets. Take your USB dongle for your keyboard and mouse and plug that into the USB port on the top of the PC. Finally, you are finished with your NFS desktop hardware.